Welcome to the next video of our series. We are going to convert from mass of one substance to moles of another. Just like before, we're going to follow our stoichiometric process, and I'm going to run through our rules while we go through a problem. So step one of converting from mass of one substance to moles of another in a chemical equation is to write the balanced chemical equation. All right, so the question, if we completely decompose 45 grams of water by running an electric current through it, how many moles of oxygen are produced? Okay, key word is decompose. A decomposition reaction is one where we've got a compound that was formerly together, but for some reason has irreconcilable differences. It's not you, it's me. We have to split up. So we're going to start with our H2O, and we're going to produce its component parts, which are O2 and H2. Both of those are diatomic elements, so we need to have two of them on each side. So that means that in order to balance it, we need to put a 2 and a 2 right there. Okay, step one is done. We've got a balanced chemical equation. Step two, if we ever need to convert from one substance to another, so if we're starting with water and going to oxygen, we must cross the mole bridge to go from water to oxygen. So all steps must lead to the mole bridge. So since we can't convert from grams of water to moles of oxygen, we must first convert from mass of A, or grams of A, to moles of A. Again, in order to do this, we use the periodic table, and it's always 1 mole, because this is per 1 mole. All right, so if we start with 45 grams of H2O, bottom right-hand corner must be grams of H2O. Top right-hand corner will be moles of H2O. We can only change one of these at a time, not both. Okay, look at our periodic table. Hydrogen has a molar mass of 1.01. We've got 2 of them. Oxygen has a molar mass of 16.00. There's only 1 of them. Add those up, we get 18.02 grams per 1 mole. So again, we've got 1 mole and 18.02 grams at the bottom. 45 divided by 18.02 will give us our first step, which is 2.497 moles of H2O. Now that we are at the mole bridge, we can now cross it. So we're going to cross the mole bridge, and again, in order to cross the mole bridge, we're going to convert from moles of A to moles of B. Now these come from our coefficients. These are our molar ratios. This is the ratio in which they combine. So in order to do that, we're going to take our last answer, which is 2.497 moles of H2O, and then we're going to put on the bottom right-hand corner, we're going to put moles of H2O. Now we're looking for moles of O2. Now our moles of H2O is 2, O2 is 1. So we're going to take our answer, multiply it by 1, divide it by 2, should give us 1.25 moles of O2. Again, as long as we are able to follow the rules that are given to us with this unit conversion tool, we can do any sort of conversion problem. All we have to do is match up the units and put what we're looking for up here, and we can only convert 1 unit at a time. All right, hopefully we enjoy this, and look forward to our next part in our series, which is mass to mass.